Good morning, children. 8th standard. Today we are going to continue this lesson. That is economics, term 3. Economics, second lesson. This is public and private sectors. Already I taught you this lesson. The lesson is over. Today I am going to give you the answers for this lesson. Is it not? Okay, children. Just you all take out your classwork notebook. All of you, along with the textbook, you have to take your classwork notebook also, because the government has omitted some content in this lesson. Already I told you. And in exercises also, some question answer, it's omission. Okay, while I'm giving you the answers, at that time I'll tell you then. First, Roman letter 1, we'll start from Roman letter 1, that is choose a correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Roman letter 1. First one, answer. The public sectors in India owes its origin in the dash industrial policy resolution of the Government of India. Among the 4 options, the correct option is D, 1956. D, 1956. Second one, mixed economy is a mixture of merits of both dash. Here, capitalism, socialism, they gave you both. The answer is correct. That is C. A and B are correct. The answer is C. A and B are correct. Third one. Dash is governed by the company law and controlled by the government as principal major shareholders. The correct answer is joint sector. The option is B, joint sector. Fourth one, public sector is on dash motive. Among the 4 options, the correct option is B, service motive. Then, Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the dash and dash are allotted their respective roles in promoting the economic welfare of all sections of the community. The dash, 2 dashes they gave you, that is public sector and private sector. Understand? Second one, profit. The private sector is on dash motive, profit motive. Third one, dash is the process of social and economic development in the society. Socio-economic development. Answer is socio-economic development. Fourth one, the main function of the private sector is to create dash and dash, that is innovation and modernization. Two dashes they gave you, ma. Modernization. And fifth one. Fifth one is omission. So, only 4 fill-ups for you. Fifth one is omission. Okay. Now, Roman letter 3. Match the following. Think tank. Second one, agriculture. Third one, industries. Fourth one, GDP. I'll write the correct options then. First one, think tank. That is Niti Aayog. N-I-T-I. N-I-T-I. Second one, primary sector. Agriculture is a primary sector. Third one, secondary sector, industries. Fourth one, gross domestic product. GDP means gross domestic product. So, Roman letter 3 is over. Match the following is over. Now, Roman letter 4. Which one is odd one? That is A. Here they gave you black money, life expectancy, gross domestic product, that is GDP, and employment. Here B, C, D. These are all the indicators. Understand? And indicators of the socio-economic development. Only A, black money, is the odd one. Answer is first one. Answer A, black money. Then, Roman letter 5. Correct answer. Which one is the correct answer? In this, B is the correct answer. Answer is B. That is 1 and 3 are correct. 1 and 3 are correct. Okay, children. Then next one. Answer in brief. Answer the following. Roman letter 6. First one answer. I'll read out the question then. Write short note on public sector. It is in page number 239. Page number 239. Just take page number 239, children. Take out your book, turn page number 239. Here, can you see? Below this picture, definition of public sector. The sector which is engaged in the activities of providing government goods and services to the general public is known as public sector. Till that. Okay. Then second question is omission for you. புரியுதா? First question தான் உண்டு, second question கிடையாது. So, I'll write the third question. Number correctா பாருங்க பிள்ளைங்களா. You just see, this is third one. It is in page number 240. What is the question? Write the objectives of the public sector. It is in page number 240. Just take 240. Here, the objectives of the public sector. Here, to promote rapid economic development through creation and expansion of infrastructure, to generate financial resources. These points, the objectives of the public sector. This is the third short answer. Second one is omission for you. This is third short answer. Okay. Then next one. Next short answer. Fourth one is also omission for you. Understand? Fourth one is omission. Fifth short answer I'll give you. Fifth one, it is in page number 242. Page number 242. You just take page number 242. The indicators. The indicators of socio-economic development. Irka. Heading. Understand? Adha எழுதிட்டு 1. Gross domestic product GDP. 2. Life expectancy. 3. Literacy. 4. Employment. 5. Provision of house, clean drinking water and sanitation. So these are the indicators of socio-economic development. This is fifth answer. Fifth question answer இது. Name some indicators that measure socio-economic development. அதோட answer தான், fifth answer தான் in page number 242. The headings you have to write. Then next one. Write short note on private sector. It is in page number 245. Sixth answer. Page number 245. Just take page number 245. Here, definition of private sector. Can you see, ma? The segment of a national economy that is owned, controlled and managed by private individuals or enterprises is known as private sector. That's all. Okay, children. Then, seventh one. Seventh short answer. I'll read out the question. Name any 3 major private sector industries. It is in page number 246. Page number 246. Take 246, children. Seventh answer. Here, major private companies. Can you see, ma? Infosys, Aditya Birla Company, Reliance Industrial Companies, Tata Group of Companies, Wipro Limited, Hindustan Unilever Limited and ICICI Bank Limited. Understand? Any 3 you can write. We mark 7. Adala ninga edavadhu ezhudhalam. Okay. Then. So, among some brief answer உங்களுக்கு Roman letter 6 la answer the following la 7 are there, but second one and fourth one they are omission for you. Understand? So 5 short answers only. Now we'll see the detailed answer, that is Roman letter 7. Answer in detail. First one. In this also children, first one, second one, fourth one, they are omission. Understand? First one is omission. First question. Second question is also omission. Ungalku kadiyadu. Third one, I will say the answer. Okay. Third answer, it is in page number 242. Explain any 5 measured indicators of socio-economic development. Page number 242. Indicators of socio-economic development. Gross domestic, இதெல்லாம் எழுதுனீங்கல்ல? Five measures, indicators of socio-economic development. அதான். Okay, GDP, life expectancy, literacy, employment, provisional of houses. You can write any 3 ma. Understand? Okay. Then next one. Fourth one is omission for you. Fourth answer is omission. And the fifth one. Write the differences between public and private sector. This is very important question, children. Learn carefully. 245. It is in page number 245. Fifth answer. Fifth answer, page number 245. Just take here the tabular column. Public sector, private sector. The differences. 8 are there. You can write any 5. Understand? 8. Irka the tabular column full neenga mark paniko. Write in the classwork. If they ask you any 5 points, any 4 points, you have to write. Okay, children. This is detailed answer. Fifth detailed answer. Then sixth one. Sixth detailed answer. Write the functions of private sector. It is in page number 246. Page number 246. Here, can you see functions of private sector? The 5 points are there. The main function of private sector is to create. From these points you have to write. This is sixth detailed answer. It is in page number 246. Okay, children. So the lesson is over. The answers all I given you. In short answer, second one is omission. In short answer, second one illa, and fourth one is omission. Short answer la. And in detail answer la, first one is omission for you, second one is omission for you, and fourth one is omission. 6 kuduthirukangala detail answer. Adula 1, 2, 4. All these are omission. Understand? So you have only 3, 5 and 6. So children listen. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Roman letter 3, match the following. Roman letter 4, odd one out. Roman letter 5, correct the answer. Roman letter 6, answer the following short answer, that is. And Roman letter 7, detailed answer. Okay, children. So write in your classwork notebook. This lesson will come for your annual examination. Okay, children. Thank you. See you. Bye.